Hey, hi guys. Right, so thank you so much for joining me in this episode. So what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm driving my way to Hay Dairies. Right, then once I'm there, then I will tell you guys exactly the reason why I was invited to be there. Right, so stay tuned.
600 meters. Turn right.
So I'm at Hay Dairies right now, and the reason why I'm here is because I was invited by Muslim Valley. They have a Qurban project here, and what I heard is the goats are different from the normal goats. That is because in terms of size, and because I was informed that the goats are really huge. So I'm on my way right now, and I'm together with Encik, nama siapa Encik? With Mr. Zakaria right now. He's gonna take me and bring me along to see the goats themselves. So I'm really excited. We'll see how big they are, right? So you guys can just join me right now. So we are here. So this is the area where the bigger goats are. So are these the goats?
These are the females. Many of them are expecting babies.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hello. Oh, they are really friendly, yeah?
Overseas not for Qurban lah.
Oh, I see.
Qurban kat over there.
Okay, come, let's go. Okay, so these goats, guys, these are not for Qurban. Some of them are expecting. These are mostly the female goats, Yeah, they are mostly female goats. So on my left side, these are where all the baby goats are lah, basically. Oh, okay. Oh, these are the male ones, right?
The Qurban one will start feeding.
Okay. So what we're seeing right now is these are the goats that will be used for Qurban. Right? Okay. So these are the American Nubian breed, is it?
Yeah, this is the number tag. These are for Qurban. Some have been taken, some are still available.
Okay. So guys, as you can see, they are really huge goats. These are not the kind of goats that you see normally in villages and stuff like that. They're really huge. They're really big, and you can see they are very nice. You know, they have very nice exteriors. They are well fed, and they look really healthy. Hi, hello. Okay. Oh, these are. Ini Gina This for Qurban juga.
Yeah.
Oh,
Number tag.
okay. So those for Qurban, they have number tags attached to their ears, as you can see right here, right? But they are really friendly goats, and they are well fed. They look so healthy, and they are as excited as I am. Hi, hello. Hi. Okay, guys. I've always been interviewing business owners. I've been interviewing people and stuff like that. I have never interviewed goats. So this will be my first time interviewing some goats. Hey, so how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing today? Good? They're so excited, they're so speechless. Alright, so here's Rafi. Mr. Rafi. Waalaikumsalam.
How
How are you, bro?
Alhamdulillah.
Your
first time kat sini tidak
Oh, this is my first time.
Masya-Allah.
My first time.
The stock for Qurban, we take only the one that is for 60 kilos and above.
Right.
Up to about, this I'll show you one, almost like a pony in the size.
Right, that is the Super L size.
That is the super L size.
Okay.
Tapi, Alhamdulillah, dia ada owner lah.
Okay.
A lot of our customers, when they say they heard the prices that we are selling, they say it's about now the 4 figures, 1,000 plus.
Yep.
So what's so expensive?
Right.
Alhamdulillah, when they come down, they see the quality of the animal,
Right.
they see the size, they say it's
Right.
justified.
Yeah.
I'm sure you see, like, if you can really turn your camera, you look at this one, the white and the black one down there.
Right.
Okay, that boy is already about 100 over. And this 105, 106 kilo.
105 kilogram, guys.
Yes.
This is how big the 105 kilogram goat is.
We have the
huge.
bigger one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. According to him, they have even a bigger one as well.
Bigger one.
Right.
Okay. So I do not have much of the big one. The XXL ni dah tak banyak.
Okay.
People see they fall in love. They fall in love, they buy it.
Right.
Alhamdulillah, but we still have the large, the medium to large. We still have a lot.
Okay,
Of
okay,
Alhamdulillah.
okay.
Come down, take the pic, and also always the question I always get,
Yeah.
why is it some got horn, some got no horn? Is it
Okay.
horns male, no horns female? So it's not true.
So it's not true, huh? It's not true.
True.
Yes.
So I mean, just compare Fadin, yourself and me, You ada rambut, saya tak ada rambut, Okay? I ada janggut, you tak ada janggut.
Right.
So all this that our stock for Qurban that we have, alhamdulillah, all these are male. We only use male for Qurban.
Okay.
So it's just the breed. Some of them will have horns, some will not have, some will have goatee, some don't. Yeah. Same for the female. Some female have horns, some female do not have horns. One thing good about this kambing, okay, they are on a very good diet.
So yeah, according to Mr. Rafi, they eat good quality food lah. I would say they are being fed with good quality products. So their meat are good quality, high quality. So they are born and breed here, right?
All these are Singaporean.
All these are Singaporeans. All these are Singaporeans. So you guys are going to do Qurban, right? So your ibadah Qurban will be on local male Singaporean goats.
Yeah.
So
let's
don't have
just
to worry.
go and have a look at the
Come,
video,
let's go.